Hello students, good morning. I am N.K.Jha from APS. Today we shall discuss page number 21 because it is very interesting and important topic for all of us. And before this we have discussed chapter number 3, Sayonara. And you have understood, and this is the folk talk and a statement of the people of Japan, how they behaves and recalls to say goodbye as a sayonara. And after that some questions are given in the topic, and I mean to say you have already described it, and now we shall discuss the important topic which is already given in page number 21. This is language in use, and you have to know the facts finite and non-finite. Finite and non-finite. Okay, finite and non-finite verbs. At first we have to know finite verb, and before this class we have already taught you, and a lot of time we have discussed about the finite verb. So it is too compulsory to know what is finite verb. So always finite verb indicate tense, person and number. That means a finite verb is usually the main verb of a sentence and is changed according to the subject, that means noun or pronoun. Understand? Means कि according to number, according to person, according to tense, verb will change its form, that is known as finite verb. Okay, just like through example you can see, she sing, she will sing. She sings, I sing a song. She sings on the stage. Listen to me and look. This is verb, and two sentences written by me. So I mean to say, subject after fifth form of the verb according to number, it is changing the form. According to number, it is changing the form. So I mean to say, it is finite verb in the sentence. Number 2. Subject after first form of the verb comes in the sentence, and I mean to say according to number, verb is changing its form and it is first form of the verb, so it is a finite verb. So finite verb is very important, and through that criteria you can better estimate the verb is working as a finite verb or not. So, through definition, whenever you will decide to find the features of finite verb, and I mean to say it is very easy, and you can find and you can search, yes, it's finite verb because according to tense, according to person, according to number, it will change its form, and that verb is known as finite verb. Okay? Now non-finite, it's very mysterious, and it's too important. Non-finite verb forms do not indicate person, number or tense. Non-finite verb can be base form of the verb without to, that means infinitive, gerund and participle. These are very, very typical and very, very difficult to understand. If I mean to say, if you have no any idea how to catch and how to estimate infinitives, gerund and participle, then a lot of problem will be raised in front of you, and you will not able to express your views because you will be in problem and you have no any knowledge and idea about non-finite verb, infinitive, gerund and participle. So this is very, very important in next class and in grammar sections, grammar chapter, I will discuss in details finite and non-finites. So only you have to follow, and according to definition you have to find out finite verb and non-finite verb. Read the sentence. This is the sentence and you have to form the sentence. This is recording. This is recording. So these three parts you will have to follow: infinitive, gerund and participle. And number A, on page number 21, for each of the following sentences write if the word or phrase in bold is a participle, gerund or infinitive. These three parts you have to search. So you know very well infinitive without to, gerund that is ing form of the verb, or participle, and participle form always ing, d, ed, n and en forms of verb used as adjectives. So it's very, very important topic this is, and have to follow it very nicely, otherwise a lot of problem will be raised in front of you in future. Next one, transitive verb and intransitive verb. This is given in page number 22. Now page number 22, transitive verb. Transitive verb express an action and are followed by a direct object that receives the action of the verb, thing or person that receives the action of the verb. Transitive verbs express an action and are followed by a direct object. Okay? Transitive verb, I could hear them. Just like example, I am writing here, I could hear them. I could hear them, and I mean to say this is transitive verb, and this is object and direct object. Subject perform an action and an object receive the action. It answers the question what or whom. So it's very, very important, and through that concept and through that idea you can estimate about the transitive verbs. So important these are. And number 2, intransitive verbs do not require a direct object. Intransitive verbs do not require a direct object. Intransitive verbs जो होते हैं वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं लेते, वो डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं लेते. जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल, द वोमेन लव्ड एट नाइट. She loves at night. The sentence above does not have an object. Therefore, loved is an intransitive verb, that means that object that is complement. She laughs at night. Night is not object, night is complement. So, in this sentence, laugh is a verb but working as an intransitive verb. So, these are the difference between these two parts, transitive and intransitive. Understand? Now, example, my flight arrives at 3 p.m. Intransitive verb. Sorry, but I have to leave. Intransitive verb. She left for Dehradun. Intransitive verb. Okay? She left for देहरादून मतलब क्या, वह देहरादून के लिए रवाना होगा. तो देहरादून पे कोई असर आएगी, इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा नहीं. देहरादून जब वो पहुंचेगा तो छोटा हो जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा. देहरादून प्लेस है लेकिन थिंग्स नहीं. उसको तुम देख सकते हो, देहरादून को देख सकते हो? नहीं देख सकते. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, अंबिका पब्लिक स्कूल को तुम देख सकते हो? नहीं, सिर्फ इमेजिन कर सकते हो. दिस इज अंबिका पब्लिक स्कूल. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Understand? Verbs can often be both transitive and intransitive depending on how they are used in a sentence. It's fact and it's true. Now, number B, in page number 22, underline the correct verb. Write transitive if the verb is used with an object, and I for intransitive if it is not. If it is not. So, six sentences are given on page number 22 and you should try to solve it. And after that you can understand the verb is transitive or intransitive, and through that concept you can decide very easily this is transitive or this is intransitive. Okay, now page number 23, word power, fill in the blanks with the appropriate noun or verb from the box. So, appropriate noun or verbs, two types of word given, two types of parts of a speech given in the box, and have to use it. Have to use it where the noun form will be suit and where you can use verb form according to the nature of sentence. You can decide and you can take decision to put these particular words in fill in the blanks. Clear? So this is homework for you, and after that the chapter is already finished. And in writing a skill, a travelogue is a detailed account of a person's travel, a story about his her journey, often accompanied with photographs. So write about your experience when you traveled to place that you found interesting and then present it before the class. The place could be a new city, a historical monument, and you have to express and you have to write that particular topic, I mean to say, about in 120 words. Okay? Now, the next chapter will be the village blacksmith, and we have to read and we have to study it in next class. The village blacksmith, and it is written by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. And so firstly I want to give you a piece of advice. You have to remember hard word meaning which is containing in the poem, and through that hard meaning you will able to understand. If you search it, you find it from dictionary, then you can trace and you can understand the a story about the village blacksmith, which is composed by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. I mean to say he was an American poet. So in next class I will discuss about the poet and what was his motive to compose the village blacksmith, and through that poem which kind of circumstances and which condition he wanted to show in front of the people of the world, especially in front of the students of class 8. So it's important, and I mean to say in next class I will explain it. Okay, thanks.